Patricia Cotter. I was a justice on the Montana Supreme Court for 16 years. And what I've learned and known when I was on the court, and to this day obviously, is that Montanans almost universally want independent judiciary. They want a judiciary that is not controlled by political persuasion and political compulsion. Right now we have the right under the law, as was indicated, to have nonpartisan elections, but that law can be changed by any legislature. I'm not just talking about this legislature, but any legislature in the future who could get the support to change the law. They could make our elections partisan instead of nonpartisan, as the recent legislature expressed an interest in doing.
Good morning. I'm Mike McGrath, and for 16 years I had the honor to serve as Chief Justice of the Montana Supreme Court. And pertinent to today's discussion, I was Attorney General of the state of Montana for 8 years prior to that, and had the opportunity to write a lot of ballot statements over that period of time. I don't know if many of you were watching the PBS series on the Revolutionary War, but it reminds me of how difficult it was and what a struggle it was to create the form of government, an independent form of government that we now have. And of course, the way it ended up was they created three separate branches of government. You got a legislative branch, executive branch, and of course the judicial branch. Each of those are equal branches of government, and each serves as a check or a check and balance, if you will, on the other branches of government. The judiciary in Montana, we decided almost 100 years ago that the best way to hold judges accountable, to have accountability to the judicial branch, is to have elected judges. So we've had that tradition for a very long time.